Hello and welcome. Today we're in Sefton Park, Liverpool on Terry Mulrooney at me Nature Watch. The kingfisher. What a beautiful sight he is. Catching fish, diving, hovering, wind hovering. Such a catch of the day. The great spotted woodpecker. She's feeding her chick. Such a little cutie and a little beauty. Look all the food she has got. Trying to coax him. Come on, my little son, come and get some. You are big enough now to fly the nest. Come on, my little one. Sefton Park Palm House. Tropical plants, all for the public to enjoy. Here we have the parakeets, the ringneck parakeets, originally from India, but they've been here now in Liverpool, Sefton Park for 7 to 8 years. Oh, look at her, she's feeding her young. Look at them two. Hey, you two, you look at that. So beauty and cutie, plenty cheek with little beak. And here we have a common scene, the beautiful swans and their cygnets, always popular to the public, feeding all kinds of food, like seeds, loose corn, frozen peas, very pleased, and the cygnets are ever little beauties. Now they're 4 weeks old. Let's hope they survive.